think this is a Raspberry Pi version 4.0. What I'm going to do first is make sure I have my file there. Okay, I have sendtoteensy.py. That's the one I want to run. So I'm going to go sudo python sendtoteensy.py. Alright, it says write your text. Now what I have waiting for that text now is this Teensy 3.6. This is in keyboard mode, and this is waiting for characters to travel over these lines here. This is a ground line. It connects the grounds between the two boards, and these are RX and TX. So it's the Raspberry Pi is sending characters that are typed into this program. So I'm going to write the characters. It's going to send them from here over to here. This is acting as a keyboard and writing the characters here to whatever's on the screen here. It doesn't matter what program is open. It's going to think that a keyboard is writing to it. Now this, I don't necessarily have to type with the keyboard here. This could be outputting characters in any kind of way. Like it could just be a program that's outputting any kind of characters. For example, when this reboots, it actually sends a bunch of characters over here. You can see information about the reboot on this screen. It's pretty interesting. So anyway, I'm going to show you how this works real quick. Okay, there's the text. Hello world. I'm going to hit enter here, and it's going to put it here. Try that again. Okay, there we go. I didn't have the cursor over the program here. For whatever reason, I had this cursor somewhere else. So anyway, there it is. Pretty simple stuff. I'll show you the so the RX and TX are connected here. Here's the RX in green, TX on the Pi, TX on the Teensy, RX on the Pi. And that's pretty much it. It's a neat little program, useful if you're going to send serial data from a Raspberry Pi to a Teensy, and hope you enjoyed. You have to make sure that the program is loaded on the Teensy first. This light even blinks, letting you know the program's running. So it means it's in keyboard mode, ready to receive those characters sent from the Raspberry Pi. So when you have your Arduino, this might work with Arduino too, because this is the Arduino editor here, and we're using it for Teensy. But you just gotta make sure you got the right Teensy picked out, you're in keyboard mode, you have the right baud rate, etc. Anyway, if you want to send data from Raspberry Pi to Teensy, I hope this helps. Take care.